Hello everyone, I am back with a new topic known as the dealing with emergencies. Emergencies and dealing with them. All the emergencies are uncontrollable and unforeseen. Thus, all the properties must be prepared for them are heavy to have an emergency plan. Emergency may come in any form: earthquake, floods, tsunami, bomb threat, and so on. The emergency plan must specify the following points: what procedure are to be followed? Second, who will be responsible? Third, how the procedure will be followed. Fourth, when the specified procedures should be followed. Safety awareness should be an ongoing program at all establishments. The management should be aware of the laws concerning safe work environment and should be concerned about the safety of their employees. The procedures followed should be as follows. Periodic training should be provided to all staff in order to raise awareness about safety. All the employees should be aware of the potential hazards in their respective departments. All heads of departments must ensure that the employees follow all safe job procedures, correct unsafe condition immediately, and take adequate time to do the job so that the accidents are not caused due to hassle. The executive housekeeper should develop a comprehensive list of safety rules to be followed by all the housekeeping employees. Let's now talk about the basic guidelines for prevention of the accidents. The following guidelines can be followed for the prevention of: always follow instruction when using any cleaning equipment. Replace caps on cleaning chemicals immediately and securely after dispensing. Label cleaning agents clearly. Keep the floors clean and dry at all times. Place warning and safety signs around the areas while cleaning. Always dry hands before touching plugs, sockets, and other electrical fittings. Mark faulty equipments as out of order. Dispose of all rubbish carefully. Never place cigarette butts or sharp objects in the trash bags on the room attendant's cart. Open and shut the doors carefully. Clean away the broken glass carefully. Planning for an emergency. Employees training for emergency procedures. Prepare an emergency resources list like the names, telephone numbers of outside agencies. Emergency checklist should develop outlining the action must be taken into an emergency. Fire emergency drills should be conducted periodically. Emergency response kit (ERK) containing the guest identification tags, guest identification registers, pens, notepads, folders, paper clips, and so on should be kept readily and handy. First aid training and supplies should be provided and maintained at all times. Planning should be done for transportation of guests in case their relocation is required in the event of an emergency. Contingency plan should be received by people who are responsible for the prevention of losses. In case the dealing with the fire emergency, immediately switch on the nearest fire alarm. If possible, try to put out the fire with suitable equipments, remembering to direct the fire extinguisher at the base of the fire. Close all the windows and switch off all the electrical appliances, including fans and lights. Close the doors to the affected areas and reports to your immediate supervisor. Carry out instructions, for instance, direct guests to the nearest fire escape routes. Reports to the departmental fire representatives for a roll call. Check the duty rosters so that all those on duty can be accounted for. Do not ever use lifts. In case of an accident, when a guest or an employee has met with an accident at the hotel, follow the guidelines given below. With the help of another person, check if the victim requires any assistance. Report the matter immediately to the manager concerned, either administrator, first aid, or get help from the trained personnel. Shift the victim immediately to a hospital required. If the injury is serious, call an ambulance for the same. Follow all necessary first aid measures until the ambulance arrives. Fill in the accident report form and hand it over to the concerned manager. In case when we are dealing with the bomb threat, inform the police of the content of the note. The envelope should be handled carefully to preserve fingerprint and other evidences. In case of bomb threat made orally or by overhearing someone make such a threat, the person should immediately convey the information to the journal manager. The most usual way in which a bomb threat is received is over the telephone. The switchboard operators should record the information accurately. The housekeeping employees may also be a part of the search team looking for unclaimed, unidentified, or unusual foreign deposits or objects that could contain a bomb. All housekeeping employees should be aware of the evacuation plan. In case of an explosion, the employees should help out in rescue process and provide the first aid as required. In case of dealing with terrorism, in the recent past, terrorists had targeted hotels on several occasions. Hotel allows the world are now striving to put anti-terrorist system and mechanism in place. The following tips with regards to housekeeping can help in reducing the risk of planting dangerous materials on hotel properties. First, limit the installation and use of litter bins around the hotel and ensure that the few installed are checked and cleared regularly. Keep public and communal areas, exits, entrances, reception areas, stairs, halls, washrooms, and service corridors as clean and tidy. Lock the unoccupied rooms, offices, and cupboards. Keep the furniture in such area to maintain distance. The vehicle registration mark of each vehicle and its occupants should be known to security in advance. Non-essential vehicles should ideally be kept at least 30 meters away from the building. Ensure stringent checks on the people security to the department and those on contract. Set the procedures and train the staff to identify and report the suspicious activities. Make sure the staff understand that the security is a part of everyone's responsibility. Formulate and maintain the contingency plans dealing with bomb threats, suspect packages, explosions, structural collapse, and evacuation. A staff pass system should be followed and a temporary pass system should be adopted for visitors. Screening of hand baggages by appropriate mechanical detectors should be carried out for all guests and employees on entrance to the property. All types of mails and parcels should be screened by detectors. Good quality doors and windows are essential to ensure the building securities. Have closed circuit television, the CCTV camera systems in place. The security measures deployed at different response level should not be made public to avoid alerting potential terrorists about what the hotel staff knows and what they are doing about it. Have a proper first aid facility on premises. Install and maintain a sufficient and proper firefighting equipment. Hotel should provide a booklet for safety to all guests. Thank you.